Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly, and today I'm going to show you a busy day in my life. No, at least one day out of the week it's a busy day. It's gonna be a busy day. But what I'm doing right now is prepping for a class. This class is usually a busy class, meaning they're up and down. So what I have to do, I have to prep for them prior before they come to class, so as they come to class they can settle down and we can begin the activity. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing to prep for my class. I'm teaching them painting, and let's go guys. Alright, so I don't have the normal acrylic paints, so I'm going to use the flat emulsion, and I have some paint in here. Of the journey to your glory, shadows dance and highlights from the deepest soul we bring a vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Alright guys, so I would have to put some water in these cups for them and put it on the table for when they come. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, so that is all the cup guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every painting tells a story of the journey to your glory. Shadows dance. Another thing that I would have to do is to organize the chairs and stools. Art will set your spirit free. So right now what I'm doing is laying out the palettes, but what I should have done is to put the paints on it first, then lay them out. So each child will be getting a toothbrush, a candle, and a paintbrush. The toothbrush is for the splattering technique. Whenever you use the brush, the bristle of the brushes can get messed up. And the candle is for the wax resist. Each child should have bought their own paints, but now I would have to revert to plan B. Colors blend in morning light. Dreams take flight with every try. Spread your wings, let's reach the sky. Sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands the magic ceases. I didn't have enough palettes, so what I had to do was to put the paints inside the cups. And it's good to put the paints inside the cups because you can always reuse it. What you need to do in order to preserve the paint is to just add water on top of it. This will prevent the paint from drying. Alright, so the last thing to do is to put out the paper and fix it up neatly. Alright, so this is the final look. So the chairs and stools are all organized and the desk is all organized. So I'm ready. Alright guys, I should have showed you the aftermath, but I forgot. But I'm gonna show you what is happening just to see. Alright, so this is it guys. I already started to clean up here and there. It was a few students in the class, so I didn't use that and that, but I do have another class coming in, so they can use these paints. Yeah, so guys, yes, I'm going to download this video and upload some other videos. It's lunchtime. Bye guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.